Mounting these solar panels, like I said, is the absolute easiest part of this lithium battery solar panel adventure. I had one Go Power solar panel mounted from the factory, and it was right here. Let me show you how they had it mounted. So it was real simply screwed down right here with some caulking around it. They used butyl tape underneath there, right here, which is this putty clay stuff that remains sticky all the time. So that's how they had it done. So that's how I'm gonna do these four. Let me show you what I got. So they had it down with these screws right here. Very simple, just some zinc coated screws. And then here's that tape I was telling you about. It comes in a strip. I bought this whole roll at the RV place. It's like gummy. And you put that down underneath these feet right here, under every foot. So I'm gonna put it down, stick it through there, and then we'll screw it down. And then I'm gonna use caulking like they did here. And I'm gonna caulk all the way around it. I have that caulking right here. It's self-leveling caulking that I got on Amazon. Like I said, all of the stuff I use, you can get on Amazon. I mean, I bought this at the RV place. It was just easier to go get it. But I ordered all this stuff on Amazon. So we're gonna use this self-leveling caulk. I got my caulking gun ready. So I went ahead and cleaned all of this because this stock hookup has some cracks. So while we're here, I'm gonna put some more caulking on this. I'm gonna put the screws back in the holes on these. These ones here, you can see I've cleaned it, and I used brake parts cleaner. I'm not gonna take all of this caulking off. I'm gonna leave this stuff on here, but I am gonna clean these areas like those, and I'm gonna put the screws back in, put some caulking over the top of it, re-caulk that piece, and then we're gonna lay out our panels where we want them. I'm gonna draw some lines where they go, and then we'll put down that butyl tape and go to town. Now, luckily for me, I was able just to use these adapters and the wire on each panel. I didn't need any extension wires, so you might have to get some extension wires if your panels are further away from the original hookup. If you don't have any original hookups, then you can just run your wires wherever you want. You could run them right down the coach, and you buy this fat tape that's like this same rubbery material, and you just stick it right over the top. And you could run them down there and then go down like next to your vent or something like that. But like I told you guys, this solar part is the easiest part. This is gonna be a quick video because this is super easy. So I'm gonna get those cleaned up, get those screws back in, get the caulking on there, and then we're gonna lay out these panels. Okay, so I got the caulking back in there, and I just filled the whole thing. Why not? Because if you open the tube of caulk, it's gonna go bad. So don't think you're gonna save it for next year when you do your roof patching. Just goop it on there and check that stuff out. That stuff literally just flows completely flat. It was a bunch of little squigglies, and it just flows completely flat like that. So screws are all back in, the holes are plugged. We are back to a perfectly sealed roof. Now let's get these panels laid out. And there you go. They're all laid out. So I just kind of eyeballed it off the center of the AC right there, and then went off of the center of this. The only thing is I did leave enough room in here. If we ever had to replace this, you could still get to it. But it's still kind of close, and I can still re-caulk that, whatever. But it is still a little bit close. But you can see how the AC right there is shading my panel. That's not good. So I wanted to keep it as far away from the AC as I could. But I have to leave enough room to be able to re-caulk that if I ever need to. So I don't want to have to pull up the solar panels to do that. All right, there they are. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a pencil. I'm going to draw around each one of these feet. Here, 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 all the way around. And then I'm going to put this tape down for each one. And then we're going to screw them down. Okay, I got the pieces of tape down. Put that down first, then peel the brown stuff off of it. That's a lot easier way. And just line it up on your outside ones and it'll go center. But one thing, do not forget to plug this in. I would hate for you to forget to plug that in, get it all screwed down, and then realize, uh-oh. So just wanted to make sure I reminded you of that. Let's get that other panel and lay it on here, and then we'll do the other one. Almost there. Okay, I got my last 4 pieces of tape down. Time to flip these panels over, and that's it. They're on for good. Okay, well, I think I got them pretty centered. Off the AC, centered down off of this, and I push them down. They're stuck in place. Each one is stuck through there right on the line. Got them all situated, and that gummy stuff is just coming up through those little bracket holes. Everywhere there's a screw, there has to be some gummy stuff. Look at it, it's even coming out. So I think these are all down. I'm pretty sure I remembered to plug them in, but just to double check, let's go downstairs and take a look at the controller and make sure they're running. Okay, we're down here with the controller, and it's showing 0 watts, so they are not hooked up. That's because I have this solar panel breaker. So let's flip that on. There we go. Now we should have some power. Look at that. They're totally in the shade because my entire house is in the shade, for crying out loud. I'm gonna have to go camping to test these, but it is showing that they are charging, so they are hooked up right. So sounds good. Let's get some screws and screw them down. I got them all screwed down. I used some really nice stainless steel screws with some wood threads on there, some big threads. You don't want fine thread screws. You want some nice coarse threads so they'll hold real nice into this wood. I used short enough ones that they didn't stick through here too far. I don't know how serious that is. The original ones were screwed in with some 1.5 inch long screws, so I don't think it's too serious. But now I'm going around and I'm cleaning off all this excess tape, because once I screwed them down, this putty tape stuff just comes oozing out of the cracks. So I got a nice little wad. We're gonna work our way around, get all those clean on all of them. These ones are kind of hard to get to in the middle, but we'll get them all like this, nice and clean. And then I'm gonna clean it with some of that brake clean, and then we're gonna put the caulking over it, flood a bunch of caulking over all these screws and around here, and make this super watertight. There you go, done. Look at that. That stuff flows nice and flat. Just squirt it out of this caulking gun right here. Self-leveling sealant. So, it's Dicor product, good stuff. Look at how they look. Those are sealed nice. I just got around behind there as far as I could get. Covered those screws fully. There's that one. There's that one. Did those the best I could do. And then these ones in the middle, these are difficult to get to because it's hard to reach over the panel. But we got them. Look at that. So I think that's it. I think this thing is sealed and done. We are ready to rock. The panels are working perfect, so we know we got the wiring hooked up. So anyways, guys, that's it for episode 5. How to install your solar panels on your RV roof. Super easy. Just get yourself some of this. The most important thing is to make sure it's all sealed. That's what I'd say. I appreciate you guys watching. If you got any questions, put them down in the comment section down below, and we will see you on the next episode, which will be episode 6, and I'm going to explain all of those pieces that I put in, what the shunt is, and I'm going to show you exactly how I got all of it hooked up and exactly how the power runs. So stay tuned for that. I appreciate you guys watching, and we'll see you on the next adventure.